users who need access to video aren't always the same people who are responsible for managing the camera systems. And because of the privacy issues involved in video surveillance, customers may need to restrict which users have access to specific cameras and what they can do with that footage. For example, school districts may want to give principals access to only cameras at their school, and government agencies may need to grant specific employees access to cameras at certain sites. To help meet these needs, Meraki NV cameras come with configurable camera-only admins and customizable video walls. Now here on the screen you see our cameras for our Meraki San Francisco site, and you can see that we've got tags to categorize or group different cameras. Now we might have someone here who needs access to view cameras in our outdoor space and our bike room that's attached to the office building. We can set up a camera-only admin for that, as well as a video wall, so when the user logs in, they only see the camera section of the dashboard and only see the cameras that they're allowed to access. So let's show you how we do that. First, we go into network-wide and then administration. And what we're going to do is actually create the camera-only admin to give them access to outdoor and bike room cameras. So if we scroll down, we can see we've got camera-only admins here. And now you can set up organization-wide camera admins. They can see all cameras within an organization, or camera admins for just this network, which is what we're going to do here. Now we have one user already set up, but we can add an existing user that's already been created or create a new user. So let's do that. We're going to name our imaginary person Steve Smith, and we can give him an email address. And there are a few different options for what Steve can do on the Meraki dashboard with cameras. Now, as far as viewing footage, we can say, hey, he can view and export any footage. So that means live and historical, as well as export footage out of dashboard. We can give him the ability to view any footage, but not export. So he can review footage, but he'd need to talk to someone else to export footage if needed, or just view live footage. And as far as the cameras, we can choose to give him access to all cameras in the network, individual cameras, and if we choose that option, you'll see a list of all of our cameras here. And this might be a good option if you've only got a couple of cameras that you need to manage. But if you've got several cameras you want to give Steve access to, tags are the better option. We come here, we choose cameras by tag, and we can type in bike room and outdoor, and there we go. And then we can go to set up the camera video wall for him. So we click on video wall, and then we go to edit layouts, and this will allow us to create a new layout. And we can name this bike and outdoor. And we can really easily search through cameras here using tags or names of them. And you can see I've got up to 16 cameras that I can select. So if I type bike, I can just go ahead and start clicking all cameras that come up. And if I want to add some additional cameras like outdoor, got a couple here, I can select those. The video walls are easy to customize, to drag and drop, to resize as needed. So I can select a certain camera, increase the size of it. I can move these cameras around. So you're able to really customize the view for our user Steve so he can see everything that he needs to see, and the important things are front and center for him.